Once he gets going, he's not too bad.
No, he's done well. He's had a little bit of food and look we're at the farm, beautiful farm. We'll have to take you around
The long
after.
grass is probably a bit hard for him.
We'll have to take you around after
With his free
lunch and have meetings with Penny, your new cousin. I think she'd be okay if we watch him.
You can't go through the roses, buddy. Come this way.
He's getting a bit wet. We won't have to take him in. It's a shame it's raining. Good boy. You're doing well. Has he walked on the pavers?
A little bit. He's a bit concerned about going back on it, I think.
Oh, I think the grass is good for him then. It's nice soft grass for you. No bendies. Mowies. He's getting too wet. I think we've got to bring him in and get him warm and then bring him back out again later. Good boy.
I think he wants to do it too, with what's going on.
Oh, he can't walk in the garden.
Come this way. Come. I don't think he wants to walk on the pavers.
Okay. Oh. Well, I think the food's ready, so.
That's what's going on. He went so far and he's seen all the pavers there and the garden there. I can't go that way.
Oh, some pavers. There you go.
Yeah, but he sort of like went across them quickly. I think he wants to do it too.
He's going on the road now. Oh, he wants a drink. Oh no! Quick! Oh!
You do that?
Oh no! No, he's getting too wet. He's dirty now. Okay.